Hi guys, it's Yianni from Yiannimize, and we are now at the draft stage for the rap job. We've got 24 people upstairs and we're going to bring them all down. But before we do that, myself and Nicco and Bert and Mark are going to choose our top 12 and then we're going to start cutting more people.
The clever guy.
I think he's got the best potential.
We need to choose our top 12 that we are 100% happy with.
Who's the best? Adam.
I liked him.
He's wrecked his car.
That's the only thing.
I liked her.
She's never done anything.
Let me just move her up slightly.
So we're going to lose him though, yeah?
Yeah. Maybe Natasha will reach him.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay.
Cool.
Right, bring it down. Top 24. Well done. You guys are the top 24. Well done. Congratulations. Well done. We had 38 people turn up. Originally we wanted 40. 2 couldn't make it. So out of the 38, we are down to the 24. And you guys are going to be cut to 12. Okay, so here's what's going to happen is, so you 24 are going to stand there. Myself and Nicco are going to go to our board. Bert and Mark are going to go to their board. We've got a top 12 that we've chose at the moment. We are going to go one by one. So we're going to flip a squeegee. Depending on whether it goes red or blue, that person will pick first. Then the other person will pick, and it goes back and forth, back and forth. What will happen is you'll get picked, you'll come forward, we'll then give you a t-shirt depending on which team you're on. If you're red team, you're with me and Nicco. If you're on the blue team, you're with Bert and Mark. Okay? Once your name is called out and you're on the red team, you'll go there. And obviously you'll go down all the way to number 6. If you're on the blue team, you'll go there and you'll go down to number 6. Okay? It's ruthless. It is what it is. I apologise if you don't get picked, but well done for getting this far. But we're about to go from 24 to 12. Are you ready? Yeah. Good luck to all of you. Let's flip the squeegee and let's see who gets to pick first. Okay, this is going to be who picks first. Yes! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Yeah.
Listen, we're taking this seriously as well, yeah? Believe us. Right, you ready? So the first person on Yiannico's team, the red team, is, congratulations, Becky. Becky, there's your t-shirt. Give us a hug, welcome. Welcome to the team.
Thank you.
Okay. Stand on number 1. She looks professional, she knows what she's doing. She went handle, cut the vinyl, started laying. I think she'll be a great addition. I had to get her on my team. Well done, Becky.
Are you happy, Becky? You can go here if you want.
She knows.
Right, okay.
Just so you guys know, we don't know who's their list, so we don't know who picks for what. So we haven't seen their side either, so we're actually curious.
Number 1 on our team. Team Bark, and when you come up here, you have to bark, all right? Thomas, where's Thomas? Hello, mate. Barking! He put his glove on immediately. He asked if it had been cleaned. He was the only person to do that. He's got all the traits to become a great rapper.
Interesting. Okay, the second member to join Yiannico and the red team is Naomi. Well done. Congratulations. Well done. Okay, Nicco as well. And there's your t-shirt. Well done. Welcome to the red team. The thing I liked most about her, she was in the back helping other people. And as I said, Yiannimize is a family, and she represents that.
Joining Team Bert Mark. It's the big man, Rusty Fats, where are you at? He's a perfectionist. He wants to make sure it's done correctly, and he won't stop until he does.
Like, see, we're a girl on that side, or a guy with glasses on that side.
girls and guys with glasses. The rest of you just go home. Third up on Yianni and Team Red is Mason. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Welcome. That's your t-shirt, mate. Well done. Join the girls. He's a young kid, but he was confident. He went for the door handle and he nearly completed it.
I knew you were going there.
You didn't know we were going there. My team is so strong. Oh, my team is so strong. No offense, by the way, you two. Yeah.
Right, next up, Team Bert and Mark. Mr. Radu, where you at? The dark horse. He said, let me show you what I can do and I'll prove it. Come and did it.
I'll make you laugh. That was my next pick, by the way.
He was my next
You hadn't
pick.
gone there, that would have been my pick now. Radu, sorry mate, you've gone for the B team. Number 4 in Team Yianni and the red team is the man, the chef, Finalists. Hey! We got a chef! Welcome, my brother. Welcome. Don't worry about rapping, food. Me and Nicco really liked him. We think he will fit in at Yiannimize. He's not a rapper, yet he went for the handle. He showed confidence, plus he can cook.
Right, next up, all the way from Bermuda, Rikia, get yourself here. Yes.
I appreciate that.
We got a girl, we got a girl.
You took my
We got
girl!
a girl.
Oh, that's my girl!
Yes. She's got the right skill set. She might bring a different vibe to the competition.
I had you, I've got to take you off. Look, you were there, look. Oh, nicked. Number 5 for the red team is man like Jarvis. Welcome, my brother. Welcome. I love the fact that he was prepared to just ditch his girlfriend to come and work here full time. When he's doing that, I had to give him a chance.
Joining Team Blue, he's rapping his way in. Mr. Laurie, come up.
Thanks, pal. Thanks very much.
The guy that raps and raps, which is just great. He needs a bit of polishing, rough around the edges, but watch out for him.
Just so you see, look, he was my next pick.
He was my next pick.
You were my next pick.
Keep taking them.
So, congratulations. Congratulations, you guys are through. We're gonna switch it up. There's loads of you here, and we thought it'd be a little bit harsh just to send everyone home straight away. So I'm changing it slightly. That sixth spot, we are gonna pick separate 5 each, so another 10 will get picked, and the vote will go to the public. Okay? Look, my hairs are going up on my arms, okay? So, I'm gonna pick 5 for my team, Yianni, myself and Nicco, and Bert is gonna pick 5 for his team, Bert and Mark. And you guys at home are gonna vote for your favorite. Whoever gets the most votes in the poll will get through to the next stage and will get the extra square on our team, and whoever gets through on their video gets the extra square on their team. So that is the end of the draft pick. Team Red, Team Yianni, Becky, Naomi, Mason, Banayodis and Jarvis. The winning team. Well done, welcome to the family. Jonathan, Radu, Rikia, and you've got Laurie. Congratulations, well done, you are through.
Come on, bring it up, bring it up. I've actually got a winner here. I ain't losing this.
Anyway, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. You can't miss the next one, it is crazy.